A. D. Dig. I'm busy. I'm busy. Okay. Hey, stop it. Are you trying to wear me my shoe? Wear my shoe. Taking my son's stuff. Abel, leave me alone, Jare.
Yeah.
What do you want? Eh? Am I the one that said you turn? Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Eat a big mama. Shout. Why you boy? Hey, this boy. Can't I rest? Can't I rest? Oh God of Nazareth. Yeah, I'm stressing on me today. Chose today to be extra. Okay. Back. Papa. Guys, it is the end of this video because I am about to sleep and the day is over. I don't know if I'm yelling because I have my ears blocked. I said used to use the eardrop when, I don't know if you guys remember, in one of my videos my ear was blocked. American doctor told me to use eardrops, and then I had to come back in for them to flush my ears. So since then told me to be using eardrops. I know once in a while I've used cotton bud because cotton bud, I know after this thing tomorrow I'll still use cotton bud. This is the end of this video. Like I said before I digress, I'm about to go to bed. I think I didn't accomplish one goal. I did the laundry yesterday. Sleep mask, honestly it just works for the night. It's not like it to keep your lip moisturized throughout the day. Just at least when you wake up your lip is still moisturized, that's all. It doesn't keep your lip moisturized throughout the day, and I use it mostly in the winter because, you know, chapped lips during the winter. Anyway, I'm just trying to round up. I cannot even remember the last time I slept this late. What is the time now? It is 10:56. Can I tell you that I slept when I was putting my son to sleep? Like, it's my snore that woke me up. It's my own snore that woke me up. The boy was just passed out on my body. But before I put him to sleep, his grandma called. I already put my camera away, so I didn't film that. And then I promised her that I was going to give her a call back after I put him to sleep, which I had to do. And then after we were done, I was like, okay, let me fight and try to stay up and watch like a show with my husband, because I always go to bed around 8 or 9 and my husband is just there till whenever he decides to sleep. So I've stretched it. Like, I have a bad headache, but it's time for me to sleep. This is what a typical day in my life looks like. Yeah, please like, comment and subscribe. It's not easy, but it is what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.